our tax system must be seen as fair. Ibig kong sabihin nito, those with fat paychecks pay higher taxes than those whose paychecks are less. And inflation-adjusted tax brackets, even if it will result in short-term reduction of tax revenues, which is, to me, a simple fairness. According to the Tax Management Association of the Philippines, or MAP, the Philippines has the highest income tax in Asia, 32% for those with at least 500,000 pesos annual income. Alam nyo ba, dinaig po natin ang pinakamayamang bansa sa ASEAN tulad ng Brunei, kung saan nga po 0% ang income tax rate, at Singapore na nasa 2% lamang. Hindi bababa sa 17 panukala ang nakasalang sa ngayon, pero wala di isa rito ang inaasahang maipasa sa kasalukuyang Kongreso. Kung hahayaan natin ito at hindi tayo kikilos na mamyendahan ang sistema ng pagbubuwis sa Pilipinas, darating po ang araw na ang tax rate ng mga guro, pulis, sundalo, nurse, at iba pang kawani ng pamahalaan ay kasintaas na ng tax rate ng mga milyonaryo sa bansa. We also aim to gradually reduce the current corporate income tax rate from 30% to a realistic and reasonable rate consistent with our ASEAN peers. We believe that lower corporate income tax will eventually draw more foreign investments, resulting in more jobs and revenues for the government.